In this video, I'll guide you through how to track chatbot performance in HubSpot. Chatbots are an essential part of enhancing customer interaction on your website, providing immediate assistance and improving overall user experience. However, to ensure your chatbot is truly effective, it's crucial to track its performance regularly. By doing so, you can identify areas for improvement and make sure it's meeting your business goals. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to the correct area of HubSpot. Head over to your HubSpot account and locate the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Service. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Chat Flows. This section is where all your chatbot activities are managed and where you can gain insights into how well they are performing. Once you're in the chat flow section, you'll see a list of all the chatbots you have set up. Now hover over the specific bot whose performance you wish to track. As you hover, you'll notice an option to edit the bot appears. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will open up the bot's configuration page where you can dive deeper into its details. On the bot's details page, you'll encounter various metrics and settings. These details are crucial for understanding how your chatbot is performing. Here, you can examine metrics such as the number of interactions, the conversion rate, and how users are engaging with the bot. This data provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of your chatbot in assisting visitors and guiding them through their customer journey. If you notice any areas that need improvement, this is also the place where you can make necessary changes to enhance performance. Perhaps you need to refine the bot's responses or adjust the flow of conversation to better meet user needs. Taking the time to analyze and adjust these settings can significantly improve the bot's performance and ultimately the satisfaction of your users. Remember, tracking your chatbot's performance isn't a one-time task. Regularly revisiting and analyzing this data is key to maintaining an effective chatbot strategy. By consistently monitoring these metrics, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and iterate on your chatbot's design and functionality over time. In summary, tracking chatbot performance in HubSpot is a straightforward process that involves navigating to the chat flow section, selecting the specific bot, and reviewing its details. These steps will help you gain a comprehensive understanding of how your chatbot is performing and where improvements can be made. By staying proactive in monitoring and adjusting your chatbot, you ensure it remains a valuable asset to your customer service operations. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to track and enhance your chatbot's performance in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your chatbot for better customer interaction and improved business outcomes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.